Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the biggest drains. First, enable Battery Saver and set it to 15% or a custom threshold so background activity is limited. This reduces app wake-ups. Next, toggle off Bluetooth, NFC, and location when not needed because radios constantly poll for signals. Then, lower screen brightness to about 40% or switch to auto brightness. Since the display is the biggest consumer, this step yields immediate gains. Once done, make sure to monitor battery percent for 30 minutes. Now you tighten system behavior to extend runtime. Open Settings, restrict background activity for junk apps, and add seldom used apps to sleeping apps so they don't revive in the background. Turn on Adaptive Battery to prioritize resources for apps you use frequently. This optimizes CPU and wake locks. Also, limit or uninstall high-drain apps and set screen timeout to 15-30 seconds. These steps reduce invisible energy use, and when you notice unwanted app restrictions, adjust individual app permissions, finish with surface level and diagnostic moves. Switch to dark mode and use black or AMOLED-friendly wallpapers to save pixels on Samsung OLED displays, which cuts display power. Keep apps and the system updated because manufacturers push efficiency improvements. If you still see rapid drains, reboot the phone to clear hung processes, then check settings battery for a per app breakdown. If one app misbehaves, force stop or uninstall it. Lastly, consider safe mode to isolate problems before a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.